Warning signs that it might be acute appendicitis. Appendicitis is inflammation of the appendix, which is a small tubular structure connected to your cecum, which is a part of your colon, the large intestine. Appendicitis usually presents first as diffuse, generalized pain all over the abdomen. The pain may be mild, usually is dull or achy, but after a couple of days, 1 to 2 days after, the pain will migrate or it will transfer to your right lower quadrant, because the right lower side of your abdomen is where the appendix is located. Appendicitis can also have fever. The patient can have nausea and even vomiting. For children, one nice trick to assess for appendicitis is ask the child if he can hop, if he or she can jump, and if the child refuses, that is actually suspicious for appendicitis. Appendicitis is a medical emergency. Again, it's an emergency. And any suspicion of appendicitis warrants a trip to the nearest emergency room.